Okay, we're going to complete 10-1 work together, so you can load that up. Again, anytime you need to pause, just hit pause on your video. And there will be points that I'll want you to do it. But when we work with 10-1, the first step here, it says Classic Appliances uses the accounts receivable ledger. On the blank ledger page above, locations have been identified with letters. To open a new customer account, indicate the location of each of the following items. Okay, it says the customer of Venice Cafe, the account number, the balance, and so forth. Okay, so we've got that information there. So what I would like you to do is go through and pause this. When you are done, then take a look at the answers. So the balance should be in letter D, the word balance. A blank, you will be putting in F, because we're just opening the account here. We're not posting anything. September 1 goes in the date, so that has to be C. Venice Cafe goes into our account title, so that has to be letter A. Check mark goes into our post reference, because we are not posting anything, we're just creating a new page. $390.34. Right here we said the balance, so that goes into letter H. Account number 120 will go into our account number, so that would be letter B. And the other blank will be letter G, because again, remember, we're not posting anything, we're just opening the account. So it should look like that. Okay, it says using the current year, journalize the following transactions on page 9 of the sales journal for Classic Appliances. The sales invoice source document is abbreviated as S. Classic Appliances operates in a state with 6% sales tax. No S is needed in the sales number column of the sales journal. Okay, so we sold merchandise on account to Lenny Sanford, $1,600 plus sales tax, S221. So the date on here is September 2nd. Our account debited is Lenny Stanford. Sales number 221. Accounts receivable are sold merchandise on account $1,600. We take I knew I was going to do that. Our sales is $1,600. Okay, so we're going to take $1,600 times 6%, and we'll come up with a sales tax of $96. So we add $1,600 plus $96, and the total amount that Lenny Stanford owes us is $1,696. The second one, we sold merchandise on account to Washington City Schools, $680. Washington City School is exempt from sales tax. Sales invoice 222. So the date is the 6th. The account debited is Washington City Schools. I don't know why it does that sometimes. Sorry about that. Sales number is 222. The amount of our sales is $680. There is no sales tax, so our accounts receivable is $680. So again, if there's no sales tax to be collected, you do not need to put that on. On the 7th, sold merchandise on account to Venice Cafe plus sales tax. So the date is the 7th. The account debited is Venice Cafe, and it is sales invoice 223. The total of our sales is $2,560. We take that times 6%, and we find out we have a sales tax of $153.60. We add those two numbers together because Venice Cafe not only owes us for our sales, but the sales tax, and we come up with $2,713.60. The date is the 15th on the next one. We sold merchandise on account to Washington City Schools again. And again, remember, Washington City Schools from up above here is exempt from sales tax. The invoice number is 224. Our total amount of our sales is $1,849. And that is the amount that goes in our accounts receivable also, because they are exempt from taxes.